In this Pinterest affiliate marketing video 3, you're going to learn how to promote affiliate products on Pinterest promoting a Clickbank product. And you can make your first $100 because Pinterest is a guided search engine where you can promote any niche product of Clickbank. That I'm going to show you in this video how you can do this without getting banned on a right way. And if you're first time here, do subscribe my channel. If you want to learn affiliate marketing and how to make money online, I have a different playlist here. You can get down to this playlist of different method, different strategies. And if this makes sense to you, put that bell notification so that whenever I can upload these kinds of videos, you should get that videos first. And as well as guys, like this video because this is a free method which will help you to make $100 promoting a affiliate products or Clickbank product with Pinterest free traffic method. So this is the account which I was growing here. You can see this 173 monthly viewers. Right now 8 followers I got and it is going great. So I have like 5 to 6 boards right now and I'm posting 10 posts in a day. And I covered all of this Pinterest profile SEO, board SEO and Pinterest pin SEO, all of this thing in my last video. You can learn a lot from this playlist. So right now today in this video we are going to see affiliate promotion. So before we get into affiliate promotion guys, I just want to take you to the community guidelines, which is really important. The link of this community guidelines is given in the description. You must get into this community guidelines and you have to focus 3 very important things here. The number 1 is guys spam policies. So I will recommend you to invest little bit time here to read the best practice and what is the spamming thing for Pinterest, right? Because we are creating content or using other people's content in Pinterest. Okay, so you must know what they are calling as a spam. And then the second very important thing is paid partnership guidelines. You will know the community guidelines, advertise guidelines, FTC endorsements, all these things here. And here come the very important for us affiliate guidelines. So here in this you can read all the guidelines issued for us so that we can promote on the right way and provide values to the user of Pinterest. For example, affiliate content should be original and add unique value for pinners. Okay, that's what I shared you in all of that video. Provide values to the users. Okay, and be transparent about the commercial nature of your content. Do not use shorteners. Okay, this is very important here, right? Do not use bit.ly link or tiny URL or even the URL of Clickbank. Okay, Clickbank link. You don't need to use that. I'm going to show you how you can go on a right way. And now we're going to do the first very important thing, choosing a product. So we will choose the product from Clickbank. So we are in the Clickbank dashboard. I'm not promoting a product from a long time, so this is from some organic traffic, like generally I use YouTube. So we'll go to the marketplace here and we'll just select the product which is relevant to my niche. So my account, Pinterest account, is on manifestation. So I'm going to select the product related to manifestation only. So you can find the product from here or else you can go from the category wise, right? Spiritual and new age, right? So I'm going to find the product from here itself. I have a product called Manifestation Magic. So here for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to promote this product called Manifestation Magic. And here they have their video sales letter, and then they have the affiliate page. First we're going to get into the affiliate page, affiliate tool page, so that we can get the resources to promote. Okay, so here you can see they have given so many your links you can get, email, blogs, articles. These blogs and articles you can easily promote with the Pinterest guys. If you have a board, you can easily promote. For example, the magical science behind the law of attraction. I can promote this blog creating a fresh pin, okay, new pin with this law of attraction board. If you don't have a board, you have to create a board and then only you can promote. Okay, do not promote that law of attraction with some other board like angel messages. These all are not relevant. Hope you have seen my last videos where I was talking about relevancy. So right now we will get into links. Here you can see there are so many different links they are provided. Some of the lead magnets they have given. So right now they have the written sales letter. You can drive the traffic to the written sales letter, or maybe this Facebook traffic page. Let me open all of this. So here I have a 2 landing page and I have to decide to send the traffic among one of this. Okay, this is I think more relevant to the board which I already have it, not this one. Here you can see how to experience a unmistakable neo sign. This is not matching with any of my board right now. I want something which is very relevant. Pinterest always focus on two most important things. One is relevancy, another is a fresh pin. So here you can see how to magically manifest real spendable cash starting in the next 24 hours. It's really relevant to one of my board called like money manifestation. I can go here and I can create a pin. But before create a pin, I also want to look for some of the keyword. Because it's a guided search engine, I'm going to put like manifestation here, generals, codes, law of attraction. I'm going to get so many different keyword which I can use as a title. So here I'm going to find more keyword from the suggested keyword to find my good title here, like how to manifest. Okay, now you can see this is guided search engine, so it is guided me like how to manifest here, and then I can select like money, how to manifest money, and I have like in 24 hours, like look at this, right? How to manifest money in 24 hours. So now guys, I can use this thing as my title and in my pins whenever I'm going to create my pins. Okay, and also this is completely relevant to the offer I am promoting. Okay, how to magically manifest real spendable cash starting in the next 24 hours. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a landing page or a website. That's the second step here, because guys, if you have a website, you can promote with your website, or else guys, you can use the email marketing software like GetResponse. From here you can create a different website or a landing page for free for the first 30 days, and then you have to upgrade. If you're not doing email marketing, then you don't need to use this GetResponse. Use Aweber here. Aweber is also a email marketing software, but one of the best part is like they are giving unlimited landing page and you can use for a lifetime. And also guys, you can use Google site here. Okay, there is no problem with the Google site also. Having your own domain is an advantage here, but if you don't have a domain, it's no problem. You can start with the Google site here. So meanwhile, I'm going to go with the GetResponse only. So I already created a landing page. Let me show you this landing page here. Generally guys, whenever I try to promote with a landing page, I don't create a landing page like this, okay, like a video sales letter landing page. I generally love to promote with an article or a blog here. So I wrote a small article and blog so that I can give a good user or a reader experience to the user of Pinterest. Okay, this all things have been already taken from the written sales letter of the product. So you're going to get right in the written sales letter. There is nothing which I wrote something my own and all. Okay, so the purpose of creating this one page in the middle is guys, just redirect the traffic, right? Giving some reading some material to them, and then they'll make click here to read more. Okay, this is my angle of promotion. Whatever the way you're promoting, there is no problem with this. Okay, but you need a website or something there without a affiliate link or any bit.ly links. Okay, you can also promote with this, but guys, you can see the user of the Pinterest is not getting any value in this landing page. Again, they have to click here to read. So I am just refreshing them here in this, okay, in the landing page, and then I'm telling them if you want to learn more, read here. If they click here, they will go to the offer page. Okay, and then they're going to watch the video, or maybe you want to send them to written sales letter. They will buy, you'll make a commission from that. You can see the URL also in the subdomain. I wrote manifest money 24 hours, okay, in the subdomain. You can use this thing in any of these, right? GetResponse, Aweber, Google site, whatever you're using. Okay, so that I can optimize these keywords here, okay, as well as my pin and offer. Now my third step is to create a pin, and that is a relevant pin. To create a pin, guys, I will go to the relevant board here, and that is like money manifestation. I will click here, and here I'm going to get the option of click here, and you'll get right this option of creating a pin. So now you're going to upload your visual content here and title, description, all of these things. So I create my visual content actually at the end, okay, because I want to put all the titles, description, and then later I'm going to decide what I have to put in the text overlay. Okay, so now I'm going to put the title here, which we have found by doing the keyword research. How to manifest money in 24 hours. I have given the dash here, real spendable cash, okay, something like this, okay. And then I'm going to put the description here, learn to manifest money in 24 hours. And then I said money manifestation become easy once you learn energy orbiting, which reprogram the negativities, belief, traumas that hold us back, and magically manifest real spendable cash in 24 hours. So guys, I just try to make it relevant with the landing page, because for Pinterest right now, this page is not very important. Because you are sending the traffic to this page, this is the link you're going to give. Okay, so whatever I use here, like right, long held belief, traumas, negative, and energy orbiting system, right? If you're promoting this offer, you know what is this energy orbiting and all. So I shared all those things in a small description here. Now I'm going to put the hashtag. So I will make sure, right, I'm having some of the relevant hashtag like this. Okay, manifesting money, and then I have money manifestation, then I have manifestation magic, and then I have law of attraction and manifestation and how to manifest. Okay, some of the things which is completely relevant to my title description. Then guys, if you are promoting an affiliate offer, in this case we are promoting an affiliate offer, you have to add one of this hashtag also. Okay, that is guys, add, sponsor, or an affiliate link. Okay, any of this one. Okay, you don't need to post all of these three, just one. So I'm going to put this one, affiliate link. This is a best practice recommended by FTC. So I'm going to put like affiliate link, because whenever guys, when you promote affiliate products online with your website, YouTube channel, social media, whatever you have, if you tell your audience that you're promoting an affiliate products and you're going to make some money from that, that's a best practice which you're doing, right, according to the FTC. So I'm going to put like affiliate link or sponsored or like ad. Okay, so right now I'm going to put like the affiliate link. Okay, and now I'm going to take the URL from here and I'm going to put the URL here. Okay, so now here you can see in the URL also I optimize the keyword manifesting money 24 hours, and also my hashtag is also relevant, my description is also relevant, title is also relevant, and where I'm posting the board is also relevant. With this I fulfill one of the key factor. I optimize the keywords and I kept the relevancy. Now keyword as well as the image is the factor in Pinterest to rank your pin. Now the image, for that guys, I will get into Canva. Canva is amazing guys, it's a free tool. You can create, right, a lot of elements are there. You can use all of these elements. You have a text, you can create a video here, you can use the images and so many different things. Okay, photos and all, you're going to get free photos also. So meanwhile I created here, and also here I kept one thing in mind, it should be relevant. That's why I said manifest real spendable cash starting in the next 24 hours. Okay, whatever the font you're using, because they have a lot of fonts here free, do not try to use all of those fonts. Okay, make sure you're using bold font which is very clear, not very bold but which is very much clear. Okay, so here you can see it's very clear here. And then I'm going to download this thing in my device. So here I'm going to click here and make sure you save in the same title, with the same title or whatever you wrote in the text overlay. So I'm going to select this one, and right now my pin, my title and my description, hashtag, as well as my landing page, which is where I'm promoting an affiliate product, is ready. And now guys, I'm going to publish this one. So now this is the way guys you can promote any affiliate offer from Clickbank, whatever the niche you have. Hope you learn this tutorial step by step. Hope you got some value. If you learn from this, if you got from value guys, smash that like button right away, right now. And do not forget to share this video to your loved one, because this is a free traffic. Anybody can do it. Subscribe my channel and put that bell notification. And before you go, I will recommend you highly to watch these two video. One is a video 1 of Pinterest series, another is video 2 of this same Pinterest series, where you're going to learn how to begin affiliate marketing with Pinterest.